What's going on, everybody? I'm super excited. We have the launch of Juice. If you haven't seen it on social media, we're going to do a hyperCLEAN hangout today. We're going to clean up this Lexus GSF, all matte paint. We're going to walk you through how to care for matte paint, but more importantly, we're going to talk to you about hyperCLEAN Juice, our new detail spray. I think you're all going to love it. If you haven't tried it yet, check it out on hyperCLEAN store. Let's get into it today. We're bringing some new towels into the store. These are the Royal Plush from Auto Fiber. I got a couple ounces of rinseless wash in the bucket. I was actually going to wash outside today, but it's super windy and I couldn't get it situated. So, matte paint, one of the most misunderstood paint systems. This is just lightly dusty. I cleaned the wheels outside. I'll dress the tires, but let's talk about matte paint. Let's talk about the misconceptions. Let's talk about all those kinds of things. One of the things with matte paint is people treat it like it's something different. One of the interesting things with this actual car when it came out is the Lexus dealership freaked out my customers saying you could only use water to wash this car. That's a true story. So I had to dispel those myths very quickly. This is not going back in the bucket, guys. It's just on the edge. And people are really confused about matte paint. Well, it's just the same system, just a different style, different finish. So this is Juice as my drying aid. Just a couple sprays and finish it out. Look at that. Nice, even finish. Which, if you've ever used certain detail sprays on matte paint, they'll leave those streaks. You won't see any of that with Juice. Number one, and that's important because there's not a lot of extra stuff in Juice. That you guys are using, like heavy spray sealants, that people are using. They'll tend to leave like a streak on not only regular paint, but in matte paint as well. So when you use this product, what you're going to notice, you're going to get a couple months of protection. It's not going to clog up your towels and ruin your towels. I'm using the Dreadnought here from Auto Fiber, which we will eventually have in the store and up for you guys to buy. We've had to make some changes on the towels and things like that. Supplier issues, and I've never been a huge fan of how the towel world operates. All the stuff that I love ends up going out of production for some reason. But we have found good solution. These are nice towels. I really enjoy them. And so, as you can see on this glass, so I did windshield protection film removal on this car, and it's still on my floor. I got to vacuum everything up, but I removed windshield protection film. That's why it was really here. I'm doing this stuff sort of as an extra for the customer. But one of the things with matte paint and using something like Juice now is you won't get those streaks that you guys see. Get that off the bottom. Flip to a new side. So this is a car that this has got well over 50,000 miles now. It's a car that we've maintained since new. It has tray on it. This car looks immaculate in person for matte paint. If you don't care for it properly, like any paint system, you can absolutely have some detrimental effects and not look so good. You guys have probably seen the BMW frozen paints that people don't keep looking good. But anyway, so I have it in here for windshield protection film removal, which is a pain in the neck to do a lot of times. Not every time, but a lot of times. And again, guys, I've used those 4 sides. Flip to new sides. It'll just stay on the edge of the bucket, not back in the bucket. Then I'll take Juice and spray down as a drying aid. Just a couple spritzes on each panel and go about drying. What you'll notice is this stuff is super slick. And that's one of the important things we wanted with this. You wonder why I'm not doing the front bumper at the same time. It's kind of hard to do it on camera. So I don't want you guys to have to worry about listening to me bend down and do that front bumper right at this second. But it is super slick once you wipe it off, which I love. But let's get back to the differences. This is going to give you protection, a couple months of protection. You'll see incredible water behavior, all those wonderful things, but it doesn't have all those spray sealant additives on the market that make it where your towels get clogged up. You see some streaking on your paint. You know, you have to buff forever. If you guys notice, I'm just simply, I mean, look how it's so slick. I'm just very easily going back, and I kind of got a little bit on the windshield. Like the windshield now is super slick just using juice. It's going to work well with coated, uncoated cars. It's going to add a layer of protection. But this is about ease of use, you know, leaving no streaks behind, giving you some pop on your paint, those types of things. And I'm really proud of this product that we've built. And I think you guys will love the experience with it. It is just so slick. But I know a lot of you have destroyed your towels and, you know, can't get your towels to work right after using certain products. This is just sort of the next evolution for us and for a lot of the market to get out of those heavy additive type of spray sealants. There's nothing wrong with those. You know, we have spray coat and different products like that. But, you know, to be honest, man, I just wanted something easier to work with. Something that was more straightforward. And, you know, I don't want to say the word traditional, but just as easy to use as an old school detail spray with new school technology. So use it as a drying aid if your car is wet, if your car is dry, if you want to add a little pop to your paint, those types of things. It should really be much more simple than it is. And that's what we kind of did with this formula. So I'm super excited about how this product works, how it makes your life easier. It's just so slick on wipe off. And I love that feeling on any car I work on. I just love that slick feel. So it's just something, it finishes out on glass perfectly, leaves the glass super slick, pairs with coatings, pairs with, if you just want to use it every week or every couple weeks when you wash your car, it'd be plenty of protection for your car, all those kinds of things. So let me move the camera to another spot and we'll keep talking. When it comes to matte paint, you know, and using product juice, we'll talk through all this stuff now. I apologize, I'm a little all over the map, but matte paint is so misunderstood. Number one, any soap our rinseless wash, Eco One, any of our spray-on products, Slick, Spray Coat, all those things work perfectly well with matte paint. And if you have products that don't work well on all paint systems like this, then I'd probably be a little concerned. But if you have a good system that you're using, like hyperCLEAN, you can use exactly the same products on matte paint. Like, the misunderstanding that everybody has is wild. Okay, this towel is done. And I get why. I mean, people are making it so confusing. There's nothing confusing about it. It's just a paint system. You don't have to go crazy. Don't polish it, obviously, which we do get that question from time to time. No, you cannot polish matte paint. For those that don't know, there's no shame in not knowing. Just getting your start or haven't been around it. And I say the same thing about matte PPF. To me, there's all this confusion from manufacturers of paint protection film acting like you have to use some crazy special thing to take care of matte paint or matte PPF. That's not true either. The only thing I would stay away from, and this is pretty universal, is I've seen some adverse reactions with using like a really cheap wash and wax type of product. I would stay away from those because you can get some streaking. It's not going to damage it permanently, but you can get some ugly streaks that are really hard to get off matte paint. if you use like a really cheap wash and wax product, or any wash and wax product from anybody, we don't have any of those things. You can use ceramic snow very safely, leaves a nice finish on matte paint as well. So it's just one of those things. If you are confused and you're not using a system that can work on something as simple as matte paint, you got to think about making a change. It's not that difficult to understand. Personally for me, it's just so slick. So, but I understand there's just a lot of bad information out there. But look at Juice works so well on matte paint, regular paint, any paint out there. Really love this product. We've been using it for a long time in my business as test subjects, obviously. All of our stuff gets tested in the real world. So it's really awesome to see this product come to life. Get a brand new towel. Nothing dirty has touched this water. Just for those of you that are new here. Wring it out so it's just dripping a little bit. We have to send these wheels of this car to get refinished. Have some curb rash, as is kind of standard these days on lots of cars for some reason. But yeah, man, I'm loving Juice. I really love this car. Actually, I've driven it quite a bit. And I've always loved working on this particular car. For some reason, I just love this car. I actually talked the customer into keeping this car. They were talking about getting rid of it. I'm like, don't get rid of it. Just something that I really have always liked. This car's interior, if you can see on camera, it's got Alcantara everywhere. So I'll shoot some videos about Alcantara as well. Let me do the very bottom. Flip to some new sides. Get the mirror. Get this front portion. Yeah, I was going to wash this car normally, but man, the wind is crazy. And just couldn't get it done. So let me flip to new sides here. So I don't get lost in my process. And so what I do, guys, if I'm just trying to work efficiently, is just take Juice, spray it a couple times per panel. If you're working in direct sun, obviously you can't do this. Just got to work a little quicker. But working here in the shop, and it's just so nice to work with. I think you guys are going to love the user experience. Go ahead and get the top here. Finish this out. It's just one of those things, like once you use it, I think you guys will see what I'm saying on camera is just like, it's just the ease of use. Kind of getting back to stop trying to add so much protection that a couple months protection out of a spray is plenty. If you want real long-term protection, we have products like Stack and our ceramic coating line. I mean, that's really your best bet. And I was getting, for me personally, I just like when things are simple. I don't work well. And I want to work efficiently. I like working on cars, but I don't want to work to death. I don't want to always be buffing something, multiple times to get it right. So this product was really about that. And you really don't have to go back and buff this on matte paint. It lays down pretty nice. I just do it out of habit. But it's that streak free. And this is just a product I think has a ton of uses. If you're at home working on your own stuff, you're doing it professionally, all those kinds of things. It's really kind of one of those products I think everybody's going to love. So I'll do the front bumper. I got to dress the tires, kind of touch everything up. Glass, even having windshield protection film removed, it looks great just using this, but I'll go back with glass cleaner and hit it one time to just kind of dial it in. But I'll come back and kind of finish some thoughts here and look how easy that process was. That was a quick hangout. I just wanted to introduce you all to Juice, our newest product. Final thoughts, there's a couple things. Don't make matte paint difficult. Don't make it something that you misunderstand just because people are saying a lot of things online. One of the most important things about matte paint, if you're using a solid system on regular paint, you can use the same system on matte paint. There is no difference in your system. With juice, what are you going to see? No streaks, super slick. It's not going to clog up your towels. It's not going to damage the things that I know is a huge frustration out there. It's not going to leave streaks. It's not going to have to be buffed a million times. It's going to give you a couple months of protection, but it's not going to destroy your towel. It's not going to make it hard to use on paint. This is drying aid, detail spray, final wipe, whatever you want it to be, this product works. And I think you guys will love the slickness, and you'll also love the look of your car. You'll be able to see a little difference, that little pop in your paint, almost like it's freshly, coated. You're going to see it when you use juice. And I'm extremely happy to bring you this product, talk a little bit about it today, maybe clear up some myths about matte paint. Guys, if you're using a hyperCLEAN system to take care of your car and you got a matte car, you're fine. Roll with the same system. Use the same products, the same everything, use the same wash procedure. All those kinds of things are identical. And I think it's one of these things you will really, really, really enjoy. And I'm really happy with this product. I want to thank you all for your continued support, and I can't wait for all of you to try juice.